This is Alyssa Massacre.
Trying to chug something.
On my face.
Attempting to chug. A bug.
Damn,
I thought she was supposed to.
I didn't think she was gonna do it. She was like chugging like a champ.
I know. What the hell was that?
That was like one goal.
It looked like she was like that.
It was filled to here, and she just fucking like took a sip, and then she went.
It just like went down.
And she's like, what can I say? Fun.
Calm down.
I don't know.
You would've been like, what? You would've been like, what?
I would've been like Christmas all over
God.
again. Crying.
I'm throwing up.
Throwing up.
Zooming in.
Zooming in on my boobs and shit.
What's up, Andrea? Oh my goodness.
I hope he knows what that means, Russo.
Dang. Still trying to make Frank her little
He's not
bitch.
even looking at anything.
Who's he talking to?
His other girlfriend.
Oh, you mean on the phone?
Yeah.